You Are Enough, a book about inclusion, inspired by Sophia Sanchez, written by Margaret O'Hare, illustrated by Sofia Cardoso.
My name is Sophia Sanchez, and I have Down syndrome. That means I look and learn differently than most people. I was born in a small town in Ukraine where I spent the first 16 months of my life in an orphanage. But in June 2010, my forever mom and dad took me home to the United States where I live with them and my three older brothers. One of my brothers has Down syndrome too. I am just like any other kid. I like to read and draw in my journal. I love people, making new friends. I dance and cheer, and my favorite subjects are Spanish, music, and theater. My mom and dad are always taking pictures and videos of me. I love the camera. That's how I began my acting and modeling career. I am only a kid, but I know I am someone who is happy, loving, and kind. I have Down syndrome, and that makes some things harder for me, but it's just one part of who I am. I believe in myself, and I want to inspire others to love themselves too, because we are all beautiful just as we are.
No two people are exactly the same. We are all unique, and that's great.
Being different is what makes you special. You are just right, exactly as you are.
Being different can be lonely. You may feel like you don't belong.
But we're all in this together. Everyone needs a friend.
Friends help one another. Friends learn from one another.
Friends know that no two people are alike. A friend will celebrate you just as you are.
But some people don't understand. They think being different is scary.
Try to be good and brave and strong. Let people see the real you.
Sometimes things might seem bigger than you, but you are stronger than your fears.
That's why you have courage. Courage is when something is scary, but you do it anyway.
Don't let anyone try to stop you from taking a chance or trying something new.
Surround yourself with people who love you. They are your cheerleaders. Listen to them when they say, "Yes, you can."
When you fall down, get back up. Stay fierce. You know you've got this.
Don't stay on the sidelines. It's your story, so be the star.
Be you wherever you are. If people stop and stare, just keep going. Remember, not everyone may understand you, but that doesn't mean you can't still be happy just the way that you are.
Never say no to being yourself. Feel your own beauty inside and out.
When when you let your light shine, you will brighten the world.
Wouldn't it be boring if everyone was the same? Being different is beautiful.
Just be you because you are enough.
Being enough means you are full of love. You have purpose.
You aren't perfect. No one is. But you are okay being perfectly yourself.
You are enough, and your friend is enough.
Your teacher and neighbor are enough too. Remember that we all belong.
Look for the good in the world. Start by looking in the mirror. Love what you see there.
Because just like me, you are enough.